Here we are again, and it's time to model furniture and accessories in dining room zone. But before that, I've made some copies of pictures on the wall, also placed them on the unit and rotated it. And now let's hide the kitchen zone. Also, you can hide the sofa, for example. And I will start with chairs and the table. I have a reference image for chair, so let's make a simple plane. Now we can import a picture, reference images, and this image. Let's upload it and make a position. Now we need our chair to be 458, so let's draw a line 450 and scale our picture. It's not good enough. It's something about, but we will scale it after we are done with base. Okay, so let's draw some lines. The perspective is not perfect in this image, but we will fix it. Well, draw some lines. It's easy. We need to connect them only. Make sure the height is not different. Continue line. Well, it's not good now. Continue line and delete these faces. Okay, very good. We are doing it well. Maybe it takes some time, but time is needed. Okay, draw an arc. Make sure the arc is on the plane. Make smaller one. One more line and one more arc. And continue the lines. It's good now. We have a separate plane, so delete these lines, and now you see that the picture is not good, so grab this arc and this and make them look like this. Close the group, place it on the floor. If it doesn't, open and place it on the floor. All the legs should be in the same position on the floor. Okay, so let's fix this arc. It will be easy. Yep, very good. And now extrude. Tell Sketchup 20 millimeters. And now draw another line and type in 450. to enlarge our chair. It's good now. Let's select everything and round all the corners. It will take a while, so add only 1 millimeter and 3 segments. Well, maybe let's select this side and this. It's good now, and press calculate. You see it's 709 edges. I will wait, and then we will copy this leg. Yes, it's good. Now let's copy and see 400. Very good. Now we need a place to sit, so let's create a, firstly let's make it a component, and see it chair, and open it. Now create a simple rectangle. We are going to extrude it. Maybe let's adjust. Good, and extrude. Let's cut it with a rectangle tool, drawing rectangles, simple rectangles. Well, it's not good, so go to the parallel projection rule and top, using knife we can cut this plane, because we are going to use a subdivide tool, subdivide and smooth. It's good now. Go back to the perspective view, select everything, subdivide and smooth. Type in 2 iterations, press enter. The geometry is being displayed and it's finished. We can go to the back one. Create a rectangle with line tool. Maybe it's not a rectangle, it's a figure. Let's extrude and go to the perspective view. Not perspective, turn off perspective and go to this view, and also make some cuts. It's enough. Select everything, subdivide, and also subdivide and smooth. Type in 2 and enter. Enter again. The geometry is being displayed also again, and we have already made a chair. We will have to copy maybe 4 of them, and now we will make a table. Yes, the chair is done. Back to the perspective view, and let's create a table. Okay, so type in 1200, then 600, and close the rectangle, make a group and extrude it to 720. Copy these lines to 80, to 3 millimeters, and also 80. Sorry, I need 80. Something about it. Well, Sketchup application starts lagging now because we have many segments. Okay, push these edges. After we're done, we need to add legs. So remove this rectangle and create legs. Let's choose, for example, 18, 80, closing rectangle, making a group and extruding it. It's too big, so let's make it smaller. Push by 13 and by 13 again. It's good now. We can make a component and copy 3 ones. One leg, and let's select 2 to make it faster. Let's create a rectangle to make a supports for the table. Make a group and extrude it. Type in 50. Let's copy it to another side. Place in good position. Now use rotate to copy it and rotate in 90 degrees using move tool and scale tool. We will make fit. Perfect. And now scale tool, grab the center point and use your mouse on this plane. Let's copy. Sorry about this. Copy this board, and here we are. We have a table. Maybe let's make a little add one's legs, and we are left only to add details. The round corners in 3D. So select the top 1 millimeter, click OK. Also make the same to the legs and these boards, and the table will be finished.